Good day, everybody. I'm Dr. T. Welcome to my sharing. Today, I would like to share my experience on managing a long document with MsWord and Mendeley. The content today includes what is expected in the document, the quality of a document. Part 1. The common mistakes demonstrated by the students. Part 2. I will demonstrate how I usually work with MsWord for a long document. Part 3. I would demonstrate how I manage citations and references using Mendeley in MsWord. A well-written document should be readable, structural, and comfort to read grammatically. To achieve this, you need to practice a lot, not a day or two. It requires patience and hard working. This includes read and write often. A document could appear to be professional, look neat and tidy if you could pay attention to the document style and format. You need to be careful about the detail if you are doing it manually, or use the right tools to help to manage the documents. The patience and efforts could minimize the mistakes, and the documents should look neat and tidy. For academic writing, a writing guideline is usually provided, or a document template is provided. In the document in the format of MsWord or LaTeX. For example, conference, journal, thesis, book chapter. Some may include assignment or project report. Conventionally, the final output is a printout, the hard copy, in the form of a book or a magazine. Today, the output could be in the form of e-copy, published online. The paper size, either A4, letters, B5 or customized size, is decided by the publisher or institute. Please read the guideline provided by them. It could be due to ignorance that the student stands to miss out the paper size, written in letter size, but print out in A4 size, end up in awkward appearance. Paper orientation in the form of portrait or landscape is not too common, but you should be aware about it. Most documents are written in portrait, with a couple of exceptional pages where chart or figure is displayed in landscape. This is the most common mistake seen in a document, especially the beginner or young students, probably due to ignorance and careless attitude. The styles of a paragraph, the font style, are not consistent throughout a document. Another mistake is the use of numbering style, not consistent. It is advised to apply the same style throughout the document. The mistakes are shown in the right. These mistakes are obvious, giving a bad impression immediately and not comfortable to read. The captions are the figure numbers, table numbers, and equation numbers. Another common mistake is unmatched numbering of the caption and corresponding cross-reference in the main text. The example is shown in the right. This mistake is commonly due to type and update the caption and its cross-reference manually. When a document is getting bigger, updating many of them becomes tedious and easily overlooked. A long document could have several divisions, such as cover page, informative pages, which include preface, acknowledgements, abstracts, table of contents, table of figure, table of table, and the main text, probably appendices in the end of a document. For example, a thesis or a book chapter. You should always refer to the guideline. For example, a cover page should not carry any page number. Informative pages might carry page number at the upper right corner in Roman style, whereas the page number of main text might be in Arabic numbering at the upper right corner. A long document often lists out the content structurally in the form of table of contents, followed by table of figures, table of tables, table of equations. This is usually happens when the tables are sorted manually. The common mistake are unmatched page number in the main text. For example, a subtopic title is not found exactly as indicated by the page number in the main text. Moreover, the heading style and number could be unmatched in the main text. The styles include the paragraph alignment, spacing, the font style, the sentence cases. Very often, the heading could be found not being arranged and indented in a tree form. Again, this mistake happens in beginner and young students whom do not pay attention to the format of citations and references. They type and update it manually, probably unaware about the mistake. Common mistake is the mixture style of citation and references in a single document. For example, the main text applies the style of author and year, while the reference apply numbering. You should refer to the publisher or institute about the required guideline on citations and references format. Another advice is the insertion of high-definition photos in the documents. Bear in mind the file size swells if too many photos are inserted, and the computer starts to lag, end up difficult to scroll between pages and update any changes. At ignoring experience. For group writing or share writing, for example, assignment or project or book chapters, the problem occurs when all documents are merged. Most of the time, the easiest is copy and paste into a master document. The master document would carry and inherit the format from previous copies. If the document styles are different, the master document would display different styles and format as mentioned above. Not uniform, not looking professional, and not present to be read. This is the end of part 1. In the next video, I will demonstrate my usual practice on managing a long document using MsWord. Thank you for listening.